Wow, let's see. So we hit 100,000 subscribers back in June or July, I believe. And I'm actually just getting this award now in November. I don't know if it was because of the pandemic or what happened, but there was a little bit of a delay with the production and the delivery of this award. But here it is. It looks really cool, guys. Like this is really cool, and I'm speechless right now. So here we go. Here is the award, the 100,000th award. Wow, it's kind of heavy actually. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, guys. This is awesome and definitely encouraging. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are checking out this channel for the very first time, you definitely want to consider subscribing, especially if you're interested in becoming a model. I make awesome videos on a weekly basis that you guys are going to enjoy. In this video, we're going to do a special giveaway, and I also want to show out my 100,000 subscriber creator award from YouTube. This couldn't have happened without you guys and without you guys watching, liking my videos, commenting, subscribing and supporting the channel. This would not have happened. So let's talk about how I got to 100,000 subscribers, and I also want to do a special giveaway in this video coming right up. So before I get into this video and the special giveaway, I want to thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for your support. I've been YouTubing consistently for over 3 years. I've had this YouTube channel for about 12 years, but I actually started YouTubing and uploading videos consistently just 3 years ago. And since then, you guys have been super supportive. You guys have dropped me some awesome comments. You guys liked my videos. You guys shared my videos. You guys subscribed. This wouldn't have happened without you guys, so I want you guys to know that I definitely appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for growing this community, for making this channel what it is today. There has been definitely days where I just didn't feel like being creative or uploading a video, but just seeing how you guys really interact with the content and how much you're engaging, that definitely inspires me to keep going and gives me that drive. So thank you again. Big shout out to all of you guys. I think right now we're about 151,000 subscribers. So thank each and every one of you for making this possible. So before I get into the tips, let me give you guys a background on why I started this channel and how I started it. So one thing that a lot of you guys don't know is that this channel actually started by accident. And the way it started actually was that my agent in Chicago at the time asked me to do a runway walk and upload that video so she can send that to a client. So I actually uploaded it on this YouTube channel and just left it. And after a couple of months, I noticed that the video was getting a lot of views, a lot of comments, a lot of engagement on that video because people were actually curious, how do you walk on the runway, or what are some best practices and best tips? So I said, hey, like maybe I should make more videos about this topic and like make more videos about the modeling life and give some tips. So that's kind of how this channel started. So ever since then, of course, I've been uploading videos almost on a weekly basis. I try to stay consistent, and that's really helped this channel grow. So if you're watching this video because you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you already have a YouTube channel and you're looking for how you can get to that 100,000 mark, the biggest thing I'm gonna say is consistency. Upload on a consistent basis. Try to keep a schedule, and that would really help your channel grow. It's the same thing with Instagram as well, and I mentioned that in my previous video last week. So if you haven't seen that, go check that out. I gave you guys some really helpful tips on how you can grow your Instagram account. So just like that with YouTube, it's all about consistency. Stay consistent, post regularly, try to encourage engagements from your viewers. Another thing about YouTube, and a lot of new creators don't realize this, is that YouTube is actually a search engine. A lot of times people use YouTube search kind of like the same way they use Google search, is they use it to look up information that you don't know. So it's always a great idea to provide useful insights in your videos, share valuable content, and that would really get your audience engaged. My next tip is to find your niche and stick with it. Find your creative style, and in the process, you're also gonna find your voice. Now, this is what's gonna make your channel unique from other channels, and this is what's gonna make your subscribers really engage with you and really love your content. And my last tip for you guys, if you have a channel or you're thinking about starting a channel, is to be patient. Enjoy the process. Don't try to speed up the process, because if you compare your channel to other channel growths, you're going to get really frustrated and you're going to be really discouraged. So be patient. If you only have 100 subscribers, enjoy it. Enjoy what it feels like to have 100 subscribers and engage with those 100 subscribers. And as you grow, you're gonna learn a lot of things about optimizing your videos, keywords, and even marketing in a sense, keyword research, tagging. You're gonna learn a lot of ways that you can optimize your channel to help it grow. So enjoy that process. Don't compare your channel to other channels, and be patient, stay consistent, and don't get discouraged. All right, now for the giveaway, I'm going to give 2 lucky winners a gift card to Amazon, PayPal, or a Visa gift card. Now, all you have to do is to be a subscriber on this channel, be following me on Instagram, and leave a comment on this video, and you're eligible for the gift card. Again, thank you guys so much. If you guys like this video, hit me with a thumbs up. Always appreciate it. I'm gonna go hang this up somewhere. Appreciate it again. Thank you guys so much. This couldn't have been possible without you guys. So see you guys in my next one.